welcome to another review. As we have only 5 minutes to do this review, I better get on to doing it. Don't ask me why there's stuff here in the background, into the Dalek in the background. Anyway, this is the box. Sonic screwdriver on the front, Doctor Who logo on the top, and that. Yeah, sorry, this is very rushed because we've only got 9 minutes and 7 seconds to do this in until my memory runs out. So, basically, wait a sec, sorry. This out of the box. This should only take a couple of seconds to crack out the box. Okay, we got first of all up the instructions. Is that a good view? Okay, so first of all you got the instructions, a blueprint of the sonic screwdriver, if you can see that, and what the doctor's work test would look like if he ever had a work test. That's the instructions. This is the sonic itself. It comes with a glass shield that comes off the top of it, and it's got a heavy sonic and it's got a base on it as well, but unfortunately the base does not have any lights on and still has a lot of space to install a battery compartment. Anyway, now to power it up you just press this button and hold it on the and there is 4 modes. There is, which you just get familiar with all the movements.
Right, left, push, pull, up, anti-clockwise, pull, right, pull, push.
And that's it. Then you got
Control mode, quiet control mode,
which basically lets you to do things.
FX mode.
And this is the one. It lets you play around with the Sonic as if it's a toy. Just to shut it down, you just press and hold it again. So, basically that is the sonic screwdriver. Now, what do I think of this? Well, proper replica. I think it's neat and everything, but £50 is a really good thing. It's really nice and shiny and got loads of detail on. And actually looks like the actual sonic screwdriver, unlike the toy. Well, anyway, thank you for watching this. Now, why is this in the background, you may ask? Well, for my last review, if you haven't already seen it, was Into the Dalek episode. And I built it all without the instructions, but, I built these things hundreds of times. So, it's got 6 steps, so if you're a first-time builder, this is very hard. Oh, and I forgot to mention the instructions are very low down and bare minimal. So, and hello, it's made out of cardboard. I could have ended up paying £50 for this, but instead I went and got it for a lower price of £25, which is good because it's on lower price and everything. Anyway, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.